OBS is a fantastic screen recorder for creators, but crashes, power outages, or full drives can corrupt your recordings, making them unplayable. Don't trash them yet. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to repair that video file step by step, with some tips to avoid this mess next time. Let's get started. First up, the easiest free fix right inside OBS itself, the Remux recordings tool. If you're recording an MKV, which I recommend for its crash resistance, OBS's Remux tool often fixes playback or seeking issues from incomplete files. Open OBS, go to File, Remux Recordings. Click the three dots to select your corrupted file. Pick an output spot for the fixed MP4 version, and hit Remux. Boom, give it a sec, and test the new file in VLC or your editor. I've rescued hours of footage this way after crashes. If it's MP4 and super borked, this might not work, but it's worth a shot first. Method 2. Repair with VLC Converter. Still no luck? Try VLC, it's free and excels at handling quirky files. Open VLC, go to Media, Convert, and Save. Add your file. Hit Convert/Save again, choose MP4 as the profile, and pick a destination. Let it run, and the output might just play perfectly. VLC can rebuild file structures during conversion, salvaging usable parts from minor corruption. Method 3. Repair with FFmpeg command line. If that doesn't cut it, let's go command line with FFmpeg, another free powerhouse. Click Download, then hover your mouse over the Windows icon below. On the page, select one of the following files to download based on your needs. After downloading, right-click and extract all files. Note that you need to move or rename the entire extracted folder to a fixed location. A non-system drive is better. Next, we'll add environment variables so that FFmpeg can run from anywhere. Go to the search box here and search for environment. You'll see this option to edit system environment variables. Let's click on the Advanced tab here. Click Environment Variables. In the System Variables area below, find Path, select it, and click Edit. Click New, and enter the full path to your bin folder. Click OK, and save all windows. Then, type chem and open it in the search bar. Type FFmpeg version and press Enter to verify that FFmpeg works. If you see this string of characters, it's successful. Now, run this command and replace paths with yours. I recommend starting with this most robust version. After running the command, locate the new file repair full version, MP4 in the output path, and open it to test if it plays correctly. Bonus. Alright, quick detour for prevention because nobody wants this headache again. Switch your OBS output to MKV in Settings. Output, recording. MKV writes data in chunks, so even if OBS crashes, you can usually remux it later. Method 4. Repair with 4DDig file repair. If none of these free tricks work and your file's totally toast, it's time for a pro tool. Check out 4DDig file repair. It's killer for deep repairs on M4, MKV, and more. Once the download is complete, select Video Repair and add your files, then let it scan and repair. I've used it on stubborn files where everything else failed, and it spits out a playable version with minimal quality loss. There you have it, your corrupted OBS files don't have to be a lost cause. Try these steps, and drop a comment below if it worked for you or if you've got other hacks. Hit that like button. If this saved your bacon, subscribe for more tech fixes, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.